So we brought the data mart side into the reporting shop, and then the data engineering team started to grow, and the data analysts started to grow. And now we've just most recently brought in some dedicated data governance folks.
For the most part, we are, I would say, completely centralized. We had at one point in the past a data team that was reporting up through IT, and then a team of analysts that worked in the business and worked more closely with our business partners. We've since combined those two teams, with kind of the goal of providing everything from one group that's organized under IT. But just kind of curious what other groups might be doing, whether or not they're leveraging embedded analysts in other areas and things of that nature.
I was just kind of chuckling because I was thinking about our journey. I've been in this space for the last 8 years. I think for my team's specific, so we're not an enterprise data team, right? We serve one of the specific organizations, specifically information risk management. And we started as sort of a more localized reporting team with external dependencies. When I say external from our organization, but we had a dependency on a data mart team, and then dependency on architecture to help setting the stage for where we needed to go. And a few years ago, we started changing all of that because we started moving with speed that we couldn't count on those dependencies anymore. So we brought the data mart side into the reporting shop, and then the data engineering team started to grow, and the data analysts started to grow. And now we've just most recently brought in some dedicated data governance folks. And so I've really enjoyed that journey so far. And I was the one who answered probably hybrid, if I'm interpreting the question correctly, because we just a few months ago really put a lot of energy into standing up a self-service reporting capability for our organization. And we did that because we probably 3 prior attempts had failed at successfully being able to scale to the needs of just a roughly 240 plus person organization. And everybody was counting us to create their dashboards, curate their data, manage it all effectively. And it just fell on its face every time. It starts off really well, and then the wheels start to come off the wagon. So for us, we just had to take this idea seriously of data is an asset, and data literacy has to occur in order to scale successfully. So it has been disruptive to implement this self-service reporting idea, because you've got change management concepts heavily at play right now, with a lot of people saying, that's not my bag, I'm not a data person, I don't want to do this. And we're trying our best to enable them, to empower them, to make them feel like they're not alone, and we didn't just drop the mic and walk away.